Okay, so good morning everybody and once again welcome back to today's class. Today we are on the day number 22 and yesterday we discussed about the request management, जो हमारा topic, the topic which already completed. Now I want to start something new. ठीक है? Something new में I am thinking to start.
Before you start, I have a question.
Good.
That when we create a flow, we go on the new and we have that protection and application part.
Yes.
In the application part, before I was getting an option from mobile something, and it wasn't global, so I created in that. But I wasn't unable to attach my catalog, and I'm unable to change the application also and the protection also. Why so? I don't know how to do.
The only thing which I am thinking, maybe you are in the wrong scope. एक बार check करना हमेशा that when you log
Yeah,
into
I have changed the scope and everything, but
यहाँ
I
पर
was
right?
unable.
यहाँ पर.
Yes.
Yes, so that is the reason. Because if you are in the wrong scope, you can't get the flow in the global. मतलब कि it means like if you don't have a key for the other house, you can't enter it, even though you are at the door only.
No,
You
but
can't.
what if? Okay, chalo. I have created the flow in the another scope. Now I can't change that scope.
No, you can't change it.
And the protection also. Once it is
No,
none, then once
no,
it is none. If it
it's
is
locked.
read only, then it is read only. Okay.
It's locked. Yes.
Okay.
That is a feature. Otherwise, if you do the cross scoping, then system will not able to understand कि मुझे file कहाँ से pick up करना है. That is the reason.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now we'll pick up some small topics. ठीक है. And let's come back here. Here incident and create new. ठीक है. Two things. If you see this part that I'm changing this impact, my priority get change. If I changing my urgency, my priority get change. कहाँ से आ रहा है ये? Number one part. Any idea?
सर यार एक फॉर्म है पीछे एक्चुअली मुझे मैं भूल गया पर वहां पे उसका मैपिंग करके रखा हुआ है.
ओके ठीक है, मैपिंग करके रखा हुआ है. इट मींस it is not somewhere in the code, it is something configuration. Yes. Right, Harshal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This concept we call as a lookup, and in the standard terms we call as a priority lookup. Priority lookup. ठीक है. There are few modules, there are few tables in ServiceNow जिनकी modules आपको ये नहीं मिलेंगे. They don't have any module. We directly access them from the table level. So I'll show you something here. ठीक है, here priority lookup rules. Let's open this. ठीक. In this priority lookup, we define that if impact is 1, urgency is 1, priority is 1. If impact is 1, 2, and it's 2. But I want to go a step back. What is step back? If I am doing this data entry, what is this? This is only data, right? ठीक है ना? फाउंडेशन डेटा का मैपिंग है, बट ये डेटा इस फॉर्मेट में कैसे आया? It means it must have some form. Yes.
Yes.
It must have some table.
Mm-hmm.
Right, everybody?
Yes.
Right. So this is the table name. DLU_priority. This table is not extended from the task table. Number one part. Let's come back here and open the tables. ठीक है. This. And this table has been extended from the data lookup matcher rules. This table is created by system, that's fine, created by ServiceNow, that's fine, but it is not extended from the task, it is extended from the data lookup matcher rule table. And if you open this table, you can see these fields has been created. देखो ये रहे. कहाँ गया ये रहा? Urgency. ठीक. priority, impact and priority. Because I have to be enter the value, only then the records will be generated. If you want, we can get a new table as well. Let me go here, table, check, and I'll click on this one. Extension किस केस से? Data lookup measure table से. Copy. ठीक है. LNG priority lookup. ठीक. Because this table I'm creating, so it will come with the U. That's fine. And extend from the DL measure table. Do you want to create a module? Up to you. You want to create, you can create, otherwise you can leave it. Not an issue. And save. As I am getting this table, so you will not find the fields like priority, impact or urgency. क्योंकि मैं बना रहा हूँ. So we have to be create those fields here. देखो इसमें वो fields नहीं है. Right? So if I want to do a matcher table, let's say I'm getting my custom table. In that custom table, I have an urgency, I have a priority, I have an impact. Then I have to build a new lookup table. So I have to go by this way, and then I can create these three fields: impact, priority, and urgency. Okay. Let's say my table is ready. Now, what is the home? कल किसी ने homework नहीं भेजा? I'm not sure that to whom I said to send the homework. अगर किसी को याद है तो please send it in the group. ठीक है. Now, what I want you guys to be see. You go and see that how this choice is coming. Are they referring any choice table? Because yesterday when we see in the record producer, what we saw that urgency is referring to the incident table urgency field. क्या same case यहाँ पर भी है? Let's see. Or impact is coming from the choice table only. ठीक है, choice. Yes, it is referring to the impact table only. मतलब अलग से choices table नहीं बनाई, अलग से choice table नहीं pick up किया. We just pick up the incident and then we pick up the impact field here. When we create this field or this table, then I can go to the form. Show form. Yeah. If impact is 2, urgency is 3, then I want priority should be 5. मेरी मर्जी मैं चाहता हूं ऐसा होना. And submit it. Now the problem is that अतुल ये तो बन गया, but how my incident form will know कि मुझे इसको पिकअप करना है. Amisha told to his kid, go to the my bedroom. In the second last drawer, there is a yellow colored toy. Please bring that. Now, if I convert this example, I need to be write a logic on the incident table where I can see if impact and urgency get changed. Go to my lookup table and find out the value, what is the priority, and bring it here. मतलब कि we have to match it, we have to be set it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What the kid will do? It will do. He or she will listen the instructions of Amisha. Go to the second room. That is the matching number 1. Second drawer, matching number 2. Open the drawer, matching number 3. Find the yellow toy, matching number 4. If he or she find the toy, then bring back to Amisha's place. That is setting the value. So in the incident form, till the time these two value did not match, it should not go there to find out the setting value. Now where this code has been mentioned, that we have to be see. So now let's come back here and see क्या था इसका lookup rules. ठीक है, ये priority lookups. नहीं ये नहीं, data lookup definition. Sorry, this one. This is called data lookup definition. यहाँ पर on this particular place we are going to be set that example. Go that room, second drawer, yellow toy, match it, and then bring back is set it. ये देखो यहाँ पर. You remember the example of transform map? Target table mapping to the source table mapping, target table field to the source table field. Same case यहाँ पर भी रहेगा. So what we can do, we can create a new lookup definition, data lookup definition. Click on this one, जो already built है. ठीक है, open this. It says what is your source table. I said source table is incident क्योंकि यहाँ से action होगा ना. Action will be starting from this particular table. This is my source table. अच्छा, कौन सा target table है? Target table is this one, DLU priority. जो यहाँ पर था ना DLU priority lookup में दिखाता हूँ आपको इसमें tables. DLU underscore P. ये टेबल मतलब सोर्स इज माई इंसिडेंट, टारगेट इज माई दिस, क्योंकि मैचिंग तो यहीं पर होगी. ओके, देन व्हाट टू डू, इसको छोड़ देते अभी, फिलहाल छोड़ो, एंड कम टू द load related list, and here we have a match and the set. What match? Let me show you. Click on the new. I said in the source table there's a field called impact. उसको किससे मैच करना है? In the destination table, target table with the impact only. उससे मैच करो. अच्छा, this part as of now and submit. Already है तो ओहो, data lookup definitions. ठीक है, let me show you. देखो, तो मैंने कहा इम्पैक्ट को इम्पैक्ट से मैच करो, ठीक है, और अर्जेंसी को मैच अर्जेंसी विद अर्जेंसी. ठीक है, आई कम हियर, आई सी इम्पैक्ट इज 3, अर्जेंसी इज 3. ठीक है, मैच हो गए, वो यहां जाएगा. लेआउट लिस्ट, ओह सॉरी, चलो शो लिस्ट. ठीक है, वो यहां जाएगा. क्या वैल्यू है? 3 and 3, 3 and 3. ये क्या हुआ? मैच हो गया. यहां पर we got 3, we got 3. Now what to be set? कि प्रायोरिटी को प्रायोरिटी में सेट कर दो. Bring the priority from here and set the priority in the source table and show here. This is what the functionality we call as a data lookup or the priority lookup definition.
Data lookup always will be run on only the choice field, correct?
No, mainly on the choices, because if you want to be run on the short description, it is not meaningful. Easy नहीं है.
संजय, मुझे मैं जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखा था सर एक्चुअली, तो मुझे उसको कन्वर्ट करना था डेटा लुकअप में. जब मैं ये ट्राई कर रहा था कि अगर यूजर अगर वीआईपी है तो आई वांट टू सेट दैट प्रायोरिटी टू 1.
नहीं, वेट, नहीं, दैट आई टेल यू डिफरेंट वे. वो इससे नहीं होगा. डोंट डू दिस थिंग.
ओके,
ठीक है, काइंड ऑफ असाइनमेंट लुकअप्स.
अच्छा,
ठीक है, इसके बाद हम वही कंसेप्ट पिकअप कर रहे हैं. दिस इज मेनली फॉर द प्रायोरिटी जो इन्हीं 3 फील्ड्स पे काम करेगा.
अच्छा,
स्टैंडर्ड. ठीक है,
यस.
आउट क्वेश्चन क्लैरिफिकेशन. Okay, good. Now this is a one part. Now the second question come, like I'll again take example from Amisha. Amisha in the school, and one teacher did not come today. Maybe she's not well or he's not well, and Amisha need to be adjust the time period for the teacher. There is a default rule in Amisha's school. If any teacher is absent, that class will get the games period for that particular class, for that particular session. ये क्या है? Default assignment है. या फिर if there is a no class teacher in that or there is a no teacher in that class, Amisha is responsible to go and talk to the class. Is a default assignment. The second concept which we're going to be discussed is called the assignment lookup. I want as soon as if my caller is VIP, I want this should assign to my this group. Harshal, आपके केस में क्या है? You want to set the priority,
Yes,
but
sir.
I will not recommend to set the priority directly because priorities depend on these two. So better to set the impact urgency, then priority will be set automatically.
Okay.
Okay, so you can say if caller is VIP, impact is 1, urgency is 1, so that priority become 1 only. Because this is a read only field. You by force you can do, but if you ask me personally, it's not a best practice. Because you are violating this principle. Already principle बना हुआ उस पे.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. Or second case, like I want if any user put the category as a hardware, I want assignment we should populated hardware group, या app engine group, या incident group. There are the multiple ways to do this part. You can do the client script, you can do the business rule, or you can do the UI policy, or you can do the lookup as well. And this we call as an assignment lookup. Now come back here. और इसमें कोई टेबल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. You can see here. Assignment lookup. Click on this. यहाँ पर ना देखो दो चीजें हैं. Two things are very important. One is called the assignment lookup, data lookup, which is completely out of the box. It works on these parameters. You can put the category. Let's say if I put category is this, subcategory is leave it as of now. ठीक है, leave it. Assignment group should populate it as a app engine studio. ये ठीक है. And if you want to put assign to, you can put the assign to as well. चलो assign to डालते हैं क्योंकि dependency नहीं है. And submit. इस केस में क्या है? If anybody raising a raising a incident where soft category is a software and click on the save, then the assignment group should come as a ACME. Let's try. Reload this page. ठीक है. Let put caller Helen and category software. देखो ये पॉपुलेट हो गया. ये तो एक तरीका है. ठीक है. This is completely out of the box. इसमें करना कुछ नहीं है. इसमें just you have to put your data, nothing else. You can use CI, you can use location, you can use assign to, anything you can use it, but you can't add any new field on this form क्योंकि out of the box में इतना ही मिलता है हमें. ठीक है. But if you see, this is again DLU assignment, मतलब इसका भी कोई ना कोई extension होगा. Go and check this table. ठीक है. There's the number one part. Second part नहीं, Atul, I don't want this thing. I want something different. Let's come back here and say assignment. Assignment rules ये वाले ये हैं. और wait, I'll check one thing. ये assignment, or you can use these assignment as well. This is legal different assignment. What we can do, we can say assignment name is LNG Batch15. Here I can put the condition like your way, Harshal. I want to be run this assignment on the incident table. If caller, but you have to be see, do we have a field from the caller as well? मतलब related fields है कि नहीं है? Related field, yes, we have. So I can put caller, user field, caller, VIP is true. अगर है तो to whom I can assign? You can't change the priority. I can assign to a user or I can assign to a group. हम ये भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Or if you want, you can write a script as well. Set value, get value, everything you can do like this. If category is hardware, please assign to this group. If category is this, assign to this group. But in this part, we can do the conditions as well. But in the normal, जो हमने इससे पहले, we see that assignment lookup rules, we can't do any kind of a coding. That is pure database. Data entry करते जाओ, will run. But here you can put assign to and you can put script as well. That's the second part. Anybody doubt, question, clarification? Amisha, Sunita, Rituja, Harshal. ठीक है, good. Now I give you homework. ठीक है, generally I take this example in my trainings, but this time I want to give you homework. As I say that this batch is little mature for me. ठीक है, homework is that you need to be create one lookup table. और ठीक है, मैं आपको पहले आउटपुट बताता हूँ, आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए. I want a output. If I select a category and I select a subcategory, then I want my assignment group should auto populate. लेकिन आपको नॉर्मल से नहीं करना. You can't use the assignment lookup rules. No. वो नहीं करना आपको. ठीक है, या let me ठीक है, ये ऐसे चलता है. या फिर the same thing. If caller is VIP, then I want a new assignment group should be populated. What I want you to do, use this option. Go to table and create a new table and create a matcher table like this, and use a set and matcher table method, not any other way, just for the practice purpose. Or if you don't want to go for that example, let me come back here. Data lookup definitions. देखो यहाँ पर we have a priority for incident, we have priority for problem. Go and build the same logic for the change management in your PDI, क्योंकि मेरे PDI में तो कोई एक ही कर पाएगा. ठीक है, इंसिडेंट के लिए है, प्रॉब्लम के लिए. आई वांट इट डू फॉर द चेंज एज वेल. थोड़ा सा ट्रबल शूट करोगे, समझ में आएगी चेंज में भी, क्योंकि चेंज इज ट्रिकी पार्ट. एंड आई एम इंटेंशनली गिविंग यू चेंज, क्योंकि चेंज में आपको चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी पीछे से कुछ. Put the thoughts. And if you notice one thing, that even though in the data lookup we have a assignment lookup for the incident as well. मतलब कि एक ही काम करने के सर्विस नाउ ने कई रास्ते दिए हैं मुझे. This is what example I am looking for. देखो, they are matching subcategory, CMDB, locational category, and they are setting two fields, assignment group and assign to. Try to build the same use case for the problem management. Same use case. Go and create a new table. Create these fields. Create these two fields and see how you can replicate it from the problem management. क्योंकि यहाँ पर सिर्फ इंसिडेंट के लिए है, प्रॉब्लम के लिए नहीं है. You can do it for the problem. This is your homework.
Sir, change के लिए we have to consider a state field also, correct? No?
नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है स्टेट, छोड़ो ना अपने को. हमें we don't want to do validation. My intention just to build this thing. स्टेट क्यों करना है? Why want to make complicated? Just simple कि मैं क्लिक करूं और पॉपुलेट होना चाहिए. Simple.
Because what मैं क्यों पूछा है क्वेश्चन, because change is never assigned to one person or throughout.
No. Change is always assigned to one group, but change task should be assigned to multiple groups. Multiple tasks assigned to multiple groups. आप देखो चेंज की फील्ड पे जाके, चेंज फॉर्म पे, if you go in the change form, you see, do you have multiple assignment groups fields? No, only one assignment group is there. ये डिस्कशन ITSM का रहता है mainly.
Okay.
ठीक है. So only intention, try to replicate this use case for the problem and this use case for the change. अपने अपने PDI में try करके देखना. Easy है, nothing to be worried. Easy है, already built up code है, तो nothing to be tough for you to be re-verify. Doubt, question, clarification. Anybody? ठीक है, चलो. Now let's do the next part. ठीक है. This has been done. This has been done. Email will start now. Did we discuss about the now create?
No, sir.
No.
No. We will pick this with this part only. BA का part plus now it will pick up same. चलो, let's come back little small topics today. VTB. These are the out of the box topics. ठीक है, इसमें ज्यादा configuration नहीं है, but these are the quick wins for your client. How many of you use a sticky note?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. Anybody else? Amisha, specifically you in your case?
Yes.
Yes, a lot of sticky notes in your definitely
Yes.
workspace. Admission form, class का attendance, teacher से बात करना, ये feedback है, or maybe like Sunita in your say this task assignment, this close, this thing, this bug, this story, same case. You love the sticky notes like ठीक है, उठाया और उठा के कचरे में डाल दिया जब काम हो गया, right? We put in the bin or we put on the cross, or we have like 3 sections: do, in progress, and done, right? If the same functionality I can give you in ServiceNow as well, easy हो जाएगा. See, if you sometime I think from the very individual person and very weird perspective, हम लोग we are the human beings, we are making everything a digital now. सुई से लेकर तलवार तक हमारे फोन में है. We all going digital. अतुल, but sticky note आएंगे, I can't put in the computer, right? I have to be open the laptop and everything. That's true. That's digital word we can say. Shad, due to this thing na, spellings corrections or writing skills, writing speed has been drastically reduced, at least for me. मतलब इतने spelling corrections हो जाता है ना लैपटॉप पे, तो पता नहीं चलता कि spellings क्या ठीक थी क्या गलत थी. ठीक है, specifically when I created documents like field, FIELD and FILID, both are the right spellings. लेकिन in which context you are writing, that is a different. ठीक है. So now ServiceNow also provides us a sticky note, and that we call as a VTB, Visual Task Board. ठीक है. No much configuration required, just a kind of a relaxation. Today session is a little relaxing session for you, so that you can cover up your backlogs. ठीक है. I'll come here and I'll go on the VTB. Sorry, visual. Visual task board. ठीक है, ये रहा. Visual task board is completely out of the box. ठीक है, but दो चीजें हैं यहाँ पर. Let's say like earlier I also used to do this sticky note. तो my son also use the sticky note. Market जाना है, shopping करनी है, backpack करना है, cold drink, chips, fruits, water bottle. He make the sticky notes for the same. ठीक है. I said two things. One is free form. मतलब कुछ भी करना है बस अपने बोर्ड पे चिपका दो. मार्केट जाना है, शॉपिंग करने है, शादी में जाना है, कमिटी पे काम करना है, वीडियोस बनानी है, ब्लॉग्स करने, एनीथिंग यू पुट ऑन द योर बोर्ड ओनली. दैट इज कॉल्ड द फ्री फॉर्म. किसी को भी उठाया, कहीं भी मूव कर दिया, फिर उठा के वापस ले गए. ठीक है. एंड सेकंड कॉल्ड द डेटा ड्रिवन. लेट्स से Amisha need to prepare the question papers. So she can't say publish the paper or the print the paper. जब तक पेपर नहीं लिखा जाएगा, re-verify नहीं होगा, review नहीं होगा, it can't go in the progress, not to be on the closing part. So these are called the data driven. Now we'll create the VTB free form. And believe me, from the last I guess 6 or 7 batches I'm trying to be use this VTB for my training. लेकिन मेरी हिम्मत नहीं होती कि मैं इसको करूं, क्योंकि my agenda which you see in the Excel, I'm never able to replicate it here. Follow मैं वही करता हूं, but concept change हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. This is my VTB. First of all, I can rename it LNG Batch15. Now these are called the lanes. I can rename it this LNG2 doing and LNG done. I can rename. I can add more lanes as well. 1, 2 जितने आपको ऐड करने आप कर सकते हो. Under this, I want to create a card, my work, add card, plus reminder. Okay. Then create link. Check. Piece. Attendance tracker. Kind of things. I can add as many I can do. But see carefully. Even though this is free form, but still it has a record number. It has a table. ये table है इसका. It's not like पंछी बनी उड़ती फिरू मस्त गगन में, वो नहीं है. Still it has a boundaries. Still it has a storage. Still it keep the records in itself. Now I can assign this. किसको assign करना? Primary assigning. I'll assign Amisha. Amit. ठीक है? नहीं ये तो हो गया, but I want to be put more assignee. अच्छा ठीक है, हर्षल को कर देते हैं. हो गया. अतुल, lot of things I want to put a label. Label क्या है? Prerequisite. किस कलर का करना है? अरे कहाँ गया? हाँ ये रहा. इस कलर का prerequisite हो जाएगा. I want to put attachment. You can add an attachment as well. No, I have to put a checklist. Means before you start my session, I want everybody should be logged into the group, Skype group. Rename it to your name from guest. So I can put the checklist. Name check. Okay. Then not guest. I can get as many as and save. देखो 0 of 2 tasks because it is free from, तो यहाँ पे कोई validation नहीं है. ठीक है, it has no validation. I can like this. I can take it anywhere. Doing that. Now you have a question, Atul. It's done, so it should show message कि आपके 2 tasks complete नहीं हुए. Because it's a free form, so no validation. Tick, tick, close. Free form, nothing to be worried. I can search it like this. Label. I want to be see for the prerequisite. एक ही है. देखिए मैंने इसी को label किया prerequisite के नाम से. So I can do these many. ठीक है. That's the first part. Atul, if this is the case, I want my engineers should use this. ये ना table वेबल फॉर्म बहुत बुरे लगते हैं मेरे दिखाने में. If daily I start sharing a depth knowledge, you will get bored. अरे कल भी वर्क फ्लो किया था, आज फ्लो कर रहे हैं, अतुल थक गए, कुछ अलग से इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेके आओ. ठीक है, so that we get some relax. ठीक है, so this is what. Now let go back here. Click on again VTB. Create a new VTB form. Data driven. One thing is important. It will only show the tables which are extended from the task table itself. No other table it will show. देखो, ये सारी tables हैं जो task table से extend हुई हैं. That is the out of the box functionality of VTB. So if you are creating any custom table, but if that table is not extended from the task table, it will not show there in this list. So I want to go for the incident. ठीक है जी, आ जाओ. ठीक है, वर्टिकल लेन कैसे दिखाना है आपको? मुझे दिखाना है यहाँ पर assign to. Okay. Swim lane. I want to show with the priority. Optional है. Next. Do you want to show all the records of the incident table? 6,000 records. Sorry, 66,800 records. नहीं तो इतने दिखाने. I want to show only active. Okay. फिर भी 35,000 is very much. ठीक है. But let's take our case now. Create. आपको टाइम लगेगा create होने में थोड़ा सा. Because it need to pull the records. कौन गया? ठीक है, nothing. So now you can see this has a limit. You can't show more than 1000. ठीक है, but you can't rename it now because it is a data driven. Oh, let me reload it here. ठीक है, we'll show you now. We can't rename it. See, click on this. We can set that lane limit, we can hide the lane, but we can't rename it because these are the data driven. Oh, hey, चलो ठीक है, load हो रहा है, good. These are the data driven. ठीक है, unassigned, assigned. ठीक, I want to get a label here. लेबल की तो जगह भी नहीं है यहाँ पे, इतनी सारा भर गया बेचारा ये. ठीक है, now let's do one thing. Let's click on this and come back here and edit the filter and sort. इसको चेंज करते हैं, active true and just for our purpose inquiry help and save changes. देखें कुछ फर्क पड़ता है? अभी बहुत रिकॉर्ड होंगे. ठीक, in the meantime it's loading. So if you want to make a change in the VTB, you can go here. You can share the VTB by copying this, or you can copy this link and share with the other person. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने क्या लिखा था on the vertical assign to, तो देखो assign to के नाम से ऐसे आ गए. नहीं अतुल, I want with the assignment group. ठीक है, assignment group कर देते हैं हम यहाँ पर. बहुत डेटा की वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कभी कभी. ओहो, ठीक है. सो ओके, दिस वन लेट्स सी. हाँ, असाइनमेंट ग्रुप. ठीक है, इट से इट विल बी चेंज. आई सेड यस, आई वांट टू बी चेंज इट. चेंज, नो प्रॉब्लम. So now it will change from the assignment group perspective. ठीक है, and you can close this and you can click on this and see these many assignees are there. You want to filter out, you can filter out with anybody name like this. And these are my swim lanes, none, critical, one, only these things. So like this, it's showing me the records. You can create the incident as well, that's not an issue. Add new, add card here. It will open the incident form. Actually, we put the double operations now. Is it my system says or someone says? Okay, now it's be working this, and then we click on this. Okay, so if you want, you can create the new incident from here itself. Now my question is that if it will load now completely, let me reload this page once again. Sorry. इसको थोड़ा सा और छोटा करते हैं so that it is easy for us to be load this data info and change the this filter part. Last 1 month का data रखते हैं. It is easy for us to be see 1 month or 2 month का रखते हैं. That's all. Oh. This is another limit as I can say limitation as well. ठीक. Add filter and created on last 3 months. Save changes. अब थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा शायद. Hopefully. ठीक. Till this point, anybody has any question? चल फिर भी कुछ तो कम हो गया.
Yes.
What, Amisha?
Will we get notification also for our unlisted task?
See, notification definitely you get, but if you configure the notification section.
Then what is the purpose of creating a VTB? Because I have to go and I have to check. Na? It's better to write in my diary and I'll check. I don't have to do extra tags.
This VTB is only for the easy purpose, like drag and drop purpose. Nothing else. Because this is just an interface. Remember, ये नया incident नहीं है. This is just a new interface for the incident working. अब, if I give you example, you're using WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
Either use the WhatsApp on the laptop as installed app, or either use the WhatsApp on the phone. दोनों में क्या फर्क है? ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है. बड़ा बड़ा स्क्रीन मिलता है, इजी टू राइट है, फुल स्क्रीन है, पिक्चर्स वहीं पे डाउनलोड हो जाएंगी, आपको मूव नहीं करनी पड़ेंगे, राइट? बट स्टिल इट इज यूजिंग द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, WhatsApp only, right? ऐसा नहीं कि if you install in the laptop it become WhatsApp superpower, right?
Yes.
So concept is same, it is just an interface. So now if you assign to the IT support team like this, it will assign to, but it will check in the background that do I have any validation. Let's say if I change my this thing, इतना मैं पंगा लेके इसको इतना बड़ा लेके अभी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. If I come here, so if you change this vertical now to state, then if you want to move a incident from new to close, then it will show you the pop-up that you have to fill these fields, then you can close it. So let's say instead of vertical, I put the states now.
Okay, and to whomever I'm assigning some task, that person will also get the notification that someone
That will
is
get
signed on.
notification. Yes, because I'm again saying, don't think that this is a new way to create incident. This is just an interface. Table भी वही है अभी.
Okay.
सिर्फ same example, I bring the WhatsApp from my mobile to my laptop. अब लैपटॉप में भी दो तरीके करने के, either you can use the web based, either you can use the application based.
Application based.
Right? लेकिन WhatsApp तो वही है ना, मैसेज अभी वैसे जा रहे हैं जैसे पहले जाते थे. Because interface got changed. So if I change the state now, अगर ये हो पाएगा तो मेरी साइड से, ठीक है? So what you can try now, you can make a vertical as a state, ठीक है? And then try to move one incident from in progress to resolve. Then you get a same validation that if you're moving the incident to resolve, please fill the resolution notes and resolution codes so that we can mark it as a close. सारी validations वैसे ही रहेंगी वो. ठीक है? Then you can assign to assignee as well from here. You can assign the labels as well, same which we discussed on that particular part. And if you want, you can share this with anybody else as well with the sharing link. अटक गया वो थोड़ा सा. ठीक. But it is an interface. Like we use this VTB when we are working on the story level. If anybody working in the agile format, they know that we have a agile boards or the Kanban boards kind of things. Then we use this drag and drop options. In ServiceNow, I created a video called the DPR, Digital Product Release. अगर आप में से किसी ने देखा होगा. So in that, stories are created in this format only, in the drag and drop format. VTB को extend किया उन्होंने और वहाँ पे use करके देखा. See, now we try to be assign this incident to some other group and say UI policy prevented this, make a change. Where do we see that what is preventing? Is assignment group is not updated, assigned to is not updated, which is not updated, then we can fill this part. IT chat support, but हम जिसको assign करना चाह रहे हैं इसमें कोई user है कि नहीं है, इस वजह से शायद प्रॉब्लम दे रहा होगा. So you can get the same thing. And also, which view is this? Check करना. देखो ये default view है. ठीक है? If you go here, once I save this one, let me save this record. And if I go here, I can see view. देखो ये रहा VTB का. So जो आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है ना, ये यहाँ से आ रहा है. पढ़ना व्यूज बहुत बड़ी चीज है. The best example I can tell you about the views. When the kids are small and they don't want to eat anything, what we say that oh it is this sweet see कौवा लेके लेकर उसको मुंह में डाल देते हैं, दिखाते कुछ है और करते कुछ है. Same thing is applicable here. I don't want to show 5 fields to Amisha, Rituja, Anvesha, Sunita, Harshal or anybody else. I can create my own view. उसमें मुझे नहीं दिखाना. You can see this Excel sheet, right? But you can't see other sheets here. You can't see my previous records. You can't see my financial things because I don't want to show you that part. So मैंने उसका view hide करके रखा आपसे. So views are for that purpose. कितने सारे views हैं देखना. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है ये भी. Try to create an incident from this way. Sell service and go to incident. अब देखना ही जब आप यहाँ पे न्यू पे क्लिक करते हो तो कितना फर्क पड़ता है. अरे तो ये तो बेवकूफ बना दिया, इसमें तो कुछ है ही नहीं क्योंकि ये व्यू ही अलग है. We can hide the fields, we can hide the related list, we can hide the sections on the different view for the different users. I don't want to show some important things to my wife. I hide it, a different view. In the beginning, when we have this desktops came in the picture, so we have different profiles for everybody. ये मेरा profile, ये मेरी mom के लिए है, मेरे पापा के लिए, मेरी मम्मी के लिए है, मेरे बहन के लिए है. So that nobody can see what I'm doing in my profile. ठीक है. So this is about the VTB. Give a try. It's out of the box, completely easy to do. Give a try and you will get a lot of things here. It is a quick win actually. And I want to give you a little dissection today so that you can cover your backlog for the workflow and other things and come back here. Doubt, question and clarification.
Sir, we can read view from URL. वो भी हो सकता है ना?
मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया यार एक्चुअली कभी. हो सकता होगा शायद ये. I just only go to CSA, not before border that. But I doubt that we can see the view from this way. We can only view on the form here यहीं पे. यहाँ पर नहीं होगा. If I'm not wrong. क्योंकि देखो उसमें कहीं भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो आपको बता पाए कि आपका व्यू कौन सा है.
Okay.
ठीक है. But yes, I see a lot of question on the community that by using this link, can I do XYZ things? मतलब XYZ things, people want to read this link, open something new and all the things will be there, which was not my cup of tea, so I did not read it fully. But yes, URL people are using the URL as well to do their work. Doubt, question, clarification.
So ये जो visual dashboard you shown actually, ये it's not more efficient to use by agent. I think so. It is.
It depends. It totally depends that what they want to do. So like I am supporting a telecom customer, and for a particular team they say that they're heavily dependent on the VTBs. They're using VTBs for their daily shift rotations. Task assignment हो गया, handover हो गया, mail handover हो गया, device handover हो गया. So they're using VTB, highly dependent.
Okay.
Up to them.
But I think there should be a notification part also, because if
Amisha, you're again coming to the same question. Notification is triggering from the record level.
Okay.
Agar in the incident table we have a notification, definitely will trigger it.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me maybe this week, next week I'll show you the notification module completely. We'll see that how many notifications are there. Is ServiceNow provide any out of the box notification for the VTB or not? If not, we can still create it. It's not we can't create it. We can create it. But remember one thing, and it is again learning from the practical experience. In the beginning, every customer says, I want a notification for this. And after 1 month, 2 months, they come back to us say, I want to disable these many notifications. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं notifications. When you come to know that it is standard notification, आप रूल बनाते हैं आउटलुक में और वो जंक में जाना शुरू हो जाता है. तो ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. As a consultant, we have to be think. Agar if I start sending every 1 hour, hi guys, how are you doing? Hi guys, how are you doing? What you will do? You will keep this group on the mute completely. अरे कुछ नहीं यार फालतू का, सुबह 8 बजे देखेंगे क्या है मैसेज, वो काम का होता है बस 8 बजे वाला. Right? There are a lot of WhatsApp group which we keep on the mute. Why? ग्रुप क्यों नहीं छोड़ देते? क्योंकि नीड है, लेकिन मैसेज ना कि पढ़ाएं ज्यादा, तो what we do? We mute it. So we have to be think, do I actually need the notification for that particular stuff? If no, don't create it. जब ये टॉपिक करें ना, आपको अपना एक किस्सा और सुनाऊंगा. I'll share one more story with you. One of my manager told me this thing during one audit when I go to meet that guy. ठीक है, तब किसको डिस्कस करेंगे. Anything from now? Any doubt, question and clarification, guys? Good. Let me stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.